Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty that empowers and inspires. If you've ever wished for salon-worthy nails without leaving home, you'll want to hear about what I'm testing today. The Kiss Full Cover Nails in Short Square. Clear, with nail glue included. They promise a professional-looking manicure, convenience, and a little creative freedom for your nail art. Let's see how they measure up. The Kiss Full Cover Nails Kit comes with 100 nails in 10 different sizes, so you can cover up to 5 full manicures. It includes a 3-gram tube of Kiss Maximum Speed Nail Glue, which is designed to set in seconds and hold nails securely in place. The nails are short and Squoval shaped, offering a natural look that you can shape or file to your preference. They can be painted over with nail polish or gel top coat, and even customized with jewels, stickers, or freehand designs. Kiss claims the results can last up to 7 days, providing a simple, at-home alternative to salon visits. Using these nails was surprisingly straightforward. The glue dries quickly, which is a double-edged sword. You have to work fast, but once set, the bond feels solid. The nails themselves are lightweight yet durable, giving a natural feel without the bulkiness that sometimes comes with press-ons. Because they're clear, they provide a versatile base for any nail art, whether you want subtle elegance or bold designs. Filing and shaping were easy, and the different sizes meant I could find a good fit for each finger, reducing gaps or uneven edges. One thing I noticed during my week of testing is that the longevity aligns with the 7-day claim, provided you don't engage in heavy water activities or use your nails as tools. The short square shape feels practical for everyday tasks, and the glue does its job without causing damage when removed carefully. I do want to pause here and ask, if you're finding this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest, in-depth reviews like this. Pros? The nails are natural-looking, customizable, and the kit is extremely convenient. The inclusion of multiple sizes and the quick-drying glue makes DIY manicures much easier. The clear base really lets your creativity shine, and the nails hold well throughout daily activities. On the downside, working with fast-drying glue can be tricky for beginners, and while the nails last up to a week, they may lift if exposed to excess water or heavy-duty use. In terms of value for money, this kit is well priced, considering it includes 100 nails and professional quality glue. It's comparable to salon alternatives, and because you can do multiple manicures, it offers great longevity for your investment. Compared to other press-on brands, Kiss nails stand out for the variety of sizes, clear base for customization, and the strong, fast-drying glue. If you've tried lower-priced alternatives, you'll likely notice the superior fit and durability here. The build quality of the nails is solid. They feel sturdy without being rigid, and the glue comes in a practical tube that's easy to use and store. There aren't any known updates to this kit, but Kiss, as a brand, has a strong reputation in professional nail products, so you can expect consistent quality. If you're looking for cheaper alternatives, other press-on brands exist, but they often compromise on fit or longevity. For anyone seeking an easy, at-home, professional quality manicure, Kiss Full Cover Nails hit the mark. To wrap up, these nails combine convenience, customization, and a natural look in a way that's hard to beat at home. They perform well, offer strong adhesion, and give you the creative freedom to experiment with designs. If you're a DIY nail enthusiast, or simply want salon-level results without stepping out, this kit is a solid choice. Thank you for tuning in to Beautyistic. The link to purchase Kiss Full Cover Nails is in the description box below. If you've tried these nails, drop a comment. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.